So you came here today to earn some free crypto. Well, today I'm going to teach you two methods that will legitimately earn you some free crypto. So if you do like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe. So the first method that we're discussing is called learn and earn. This method basically requires you to watch a small short video and then answer a few questions about the cryptocurrency in those videos. If you answer those questions right, you automatically earn some crypto rewards. And now I'll show you some websites that do these programs. All these websites will be linked in the description below. First up, we have Coinbase Earn. So this lets you earn via some courses, and as we can see, there's a few cryptos here that we're able to learn. Over here it says you can earn $10 of lumens, and the others are not indicated, but you'll be able to see them once you join the program. At number 2, we have CoinMarketCap. So for CoinMarketCap, all you need to do is come to this page, click Get Started, and then you'll have some cryptos available for which you can earn. Now, next on we have Binance. Binance does not have a specific learn and earn program, but it does have announcements. And in these announcements, there's usually opportunities to learn and earn. For example, over here, highlighted, we can see a learn and earn opportunity to earn some Lena. There's $120,000 worth of rewards up for grabs. Now, next on, we have Earnathon. Earnathon is a dedicated platform for you to learn about new cryptocurrencies and blockchains and earn some of that nice free cryptocurrency. Next on, we have Femex. Femex also has a learn and earn program similar to Coinbase and CoinMarketCap. And finally, we have Cake DeFi. Cake DeFi also has few learn and earn opportunities. Right now it's limited to DeFi chain, and coming soon is going to be Ethereum and Bitcoin. And please remember, all these are linked in the description below. And the next method to earn some free crypto that we're discussing today are airdrops. Airdrops basically allow communities to require you to complete a certain set of tasks in order for you to be eligible to receive a certain amount of cryptocurrency. Now, I'm going to be giving you guys a few websites that allow you to find these airdrops, and please keep in mind all these will be found in the description. First up, we have the CoinMarketCap airdrop website. Over here, we'll have some airdrops listed that will require you to complete a few set of tasks. If you click into them, it'll have some lists of actions that you need to complete, and then once you're done completing them, you'll be eligible for the airdrop for a chance to win some free crypto. Up next, we have Airdrop Alert. Unlike CoinMarketCap, it is a completely dedicated website simply for airdrops. You can come here and see what tasks you need to complete or how you can participate. And similar to Airdrop Alert, we have airdrops.io. This is also a dedicated website for airdrops. You simply go here and look up which airdrops you can participate in and what you need to do in order to be eligible. And again, Airdrops Mob. This is a similarly named website to the previous two, and also it will give you on methods to earn some free airdrops. And finally, we have Airdrop Bob. Airdrop Bob is also similar to the previous three websites that we've named, where it just gives you some tasks that you need to perform in order to be eligible for some airdrops. And that's it for today. I've showed you guys two methods which you can use to earn some free cryptocurrencies. So if you did like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.